Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best Dutch oven in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for a Dutch oven that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these Dutch ovens, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
The Le Creuset cast iron collection is stylish, durable and extremely versatile. Cast iron is so efficient at retaining heat that only low to medium heat is needed for cooking, saving energy. The unique Le Creuset sand enamel interior is extremely durable and resists chipping and staining. The oval casserole shape is perfect for holding longer cuts of meat, poultry or fish, giving extra room for turning food when browning. Placing the lid on before roasting will keep your oven clean. Cast iron creates a blanket of heat surrounding food when cooking, developing aromas and flavors. And when the cooking is done, its larger handles make it easy to carry the pot from the oven to the table. Experience the outstanding performance and versatility of Le Creuset cast iron. Tested, trusted, guaranteed for life.
Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and here we have Cuisinart's Chef's Classic Enameled Cast Iron Cookware. Cuisinart offers the enameled cookware in 2 colors, Cardinal Red and Provençal Blue. We also offer it in a variety of different pieces, from skillets to chicken fryers. We also offer it in a variety of different cookware pieces, from oval and round casseroles. We have 2 sizes. The casseroles come in round. This is a 3-quart round casserole. This is the 5-quart casserole. A lasagna pan. This is the 5-quart oval casserole. And this is a grill pan. And this enamel cookware is great for entertaining because not only can you cook in it, but you can also entertain in it because it is very attractive, as you can see.
I'm Mark with Anolon, and this is the Anolon Advanced Bronze Cookware Collection. This cookware is beautiful and strong. The bronze exterior color with chocolate brown interior is warm and sophisticated. Each piece is made of hard anodized aluminum, which is twice as hard as stainless steel and a great conductor of heat, meaning no hot spots. Both the inside and the outside of the pan feature an incredible non-stick surface that's metal utensil safe, won't scratch, stain, or chip, and makes cleanup a breeze. The aluminum core offers great heat conduction across the bottom and all the way up the sides of the pan. And the sure grip handles are made of durable non-slip silicone. They're oven safe to 400 degrees, and they're also included on the tempered glass lids, which let you watch food as it cooks. Anolon Advanced Bronze has a variety of cookware, bakeware, and tools for all your cooking needs.